have Oneplus Nord 6GB variant. As you can see, 64GB, grey color. This is the box. As you can see this. Here it is the badging. You can read this. I bought this for $24,999. You can read the specs here. So let's open this thing. This is the box, as you can see here. So let's open this thing. Nothing here. This is the phone. We'll see it later. These are some owner manuals and a cover free. This is the case. Keep it aside. These are some manuals. Some more manuals. This is the dash charger and this is the cable. So let's turn on the phone. Sanitize this thing with this. Let's open this now. This is the phone here, as you can see. Grey color. See the sides. Power button. Sorry, this is the volume button, this is the power button, this is the slider switch. So let's turn on this thing. Let's keep it here. Let's put it in the case. You can see. Let's see the charger. This is the cable. This is the charger box adapter. So it is started here. I don't know why it's showing me how to. So it started, as you can see here. Display is crisp, 90 Hz, as you can see. So we'll show you the review later. Thanks for seeing the unboxing.